Now, punta naman tayo sa how to buy. So, one very good topic to discuss here is diversification. Again, don't put all your eggs in one basket, sabi nga nila, di ba? So, diversification, basically, this is investing in wide range of businesses and industries. So, hindi ka lang mag-invest kay Metrobank, BDO, Security Bank. Baka pwede mag-invest ka rin sa property, sa telco, sa consumer para diversified ang ating portfolio. And always remember, ang mga businesses kasi usually it moves in cycle. So may times talaga na maganda yung growth niya, may times na flat lang, may times na mababa talaga. So for example, right now we are in a recession, no? Basically, ang business cycle natin ngayon nasa recession. So ano ba yung mga industries na maganda during recessions? So these are industries na nagbebenta ng mga essential goods like for example, pure gold because nagbebenta siya ng mga groceries. Of course, kahit naman may recession, hindi natin hayaan yung sarili natin na magutom. That's why sa recession, magandang investment ang grocery stocks like Pure Gold or RHI or Merrimart. And for example naman, recession, um, for example, gaming or casino stocks, hindi masyadong maganda kasi kapag recession, usually incomes are down. Average income of a person. So basically, ayaw natin gumastos masyado lalo na sa mga luxury goods or sa mga entertainment purposes. No? So a good ballpark figure is to invest between 5 to 10 stocks. May iba nagsasabi, you can just invest in 3 stocks. But I think that's too little. And may iba naman nagsasabi, you should invest in 20 stocks or 30 stocks. But in my opinion, that's too many. Of course, kung bibili ka isa-isa ng 30 stocks, masyado nang malaki yung transaction cost mo. Oo, well-diversified ka, but kapag nakita mo yung portfolio mo, almost 20-30% na ng capital mo yung na-cut dahil sa mga transaction cost. So a good ballpark figure is between 5 to 10 stocks. In the next slide, you can see accumulation, a very good topic then to invest in this segment. Basically, accumulation is patiently waiting for stocks to become cheap enough to be a good bargain. So dito kailangan talaga natin maging patient kapag we are trying to accumulate stocks. No? Waiting might take you months or even years, but the principle stays the same. That is, we buy at good, attractive prices. So this buying strategy, I think, is the most well-suited for investing using fundamentals and investing for the long term instead of using trading strategies like momentum or swing. Kapag we are talking about fundamental investing, accumulation is the best way to go. So paano ba ginagawa yung accumulation, you might ask na? So this is a very good example. This Ayala Corporation. So these are the possible buying zones. So as you can see there, bumagsak si AC, you can accumulate at that price. Again, second one, bumagsak siya during 2012, 2013, 2015, and most recently, yung my golden arrow. That is just last year at March. Nakita naman natin, no, si AC was down almost 60% from 950 pesos to as low as 380 pesos. So just because of the pandemic, yung market value ni Ayala Corporation was cut by 60%. And during that time, the stocks or the Philippine Stock Exchange Index or PSEI is very, very cheap, only trading at 9 times PE. No? So accumulators or investors who are trying to accumulate AC stock bought at around 400 pesos and laki ng kita nila just holding it by almost 10 months from now. Just a quick summary lang. That's the last slide on how to buy segment. Number one is always diversify among businesses and industries. Huwag tayo mag-invest lang sa isang stock o sa isang sector lang because when something bad happens to that sector, there's a higher chance that your investments will accumulate losses in the long term. Number two is to accumulate at attractive prices. We want to wait and we want to be patient for good companies and sound businesses to be at attractive prices for us to accumulate. And third, being patient.